Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 70, Algebraic expressions and identities, section A, easy. Let's start. If PQA means P into Q into A equals to 3P plus Q the whole square minus 3P minus Q the whole square, find A. See here, you must always look for hints in these types of problems in basically this chapter. Here the hint is 3p plus q the whole square minus 3p minus q the whole square. This is a square minus b square. So the formula is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. And also 3p and 3p are same, q and q are same over here. So they might get cancelled. So use that formula a square minus b square. So what we have, pqa equals to 3p plus q the whole square minus 3p minus q the whole square. Now a square minus b square, that is 3p plus q plus 3p minus q into 3p plus q minus 3p plus q. See here, a minus b minus 3p, and this minus minus becomes plus. Okay, now solve this again. 3p 3p 6p, q gets cancelled. Here 3p gets cancelled and q it's 2q, right? So it is 2q. So 6p into 2q. So what it becomes? 12pq. But what is given? PQA equals to 12PQ. Now PQ gets cancelled. So A equals to 12. Next, find the value of this bracket plus this bracket minus this bracket. Okay. Now what all is there in these brackets? So it's very simple. Just remove the brackets. This plus outside. So in fact it's plus for every bracket outside. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.